Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a sidebar here in Constant Contact. All right, so first up, go ahead over to email and then go ahead and open up your existing email or create a new one. Okay, for example, I'm just gonna use this email right here. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, here in the left panel, we have blocks and layouts under build. All right, under layouts, we have multiple sidebar options. Just scroll down and as you can see here, we have left column sidebar, right column sidebar, and also the two column divided. All right. Now, first up, the left column. For example, I wanted to add in more section right here, and then I'm going to drag a left column. So this will be your left column sidebar. Okay. If you want to delete these contents, you can go ahead and do so. For example, delete, and maybe add in another block right here in the right side. Maybe an image right here. All right. At the bottom, you can go ahead and add in a button like so. That's basically how you do it. And on the right column sidebar, this is what it looks like. All right. You can go ahead and upload images like so. Replace, insert, add another one from here. Maybe this one, insert. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and delete the text block. And there you have it. That's basically how you add a sidebar here in Constant Contact. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.